TestLodge is an online test case management tool that integrates with Assembla, allowing for tickets to be automatically created whenever a test fails. Let's see how it all works.
Firstly, we need to grant TestLodge access to your Assembla account. We can do this by selecting Issue Trackers from the side menu and choosing to create a new integration. Select Assembla from the dropdown and click the Authenticate link, which will send you over to Assembla to provide access. From here, we need to associate a TestLodge project with one in Assembla. This is where your tickets will be created. To do this, edit a TestLodge project and select the Assembla integration that you just set up. Choose the correct space ID from the list and save the changes. Now, if we go to create a new test run from an existing suite, whenever a test fails, TestLodge will automatically create a ticket in Assembla, taking away the tedious job of manually creating them. Additionally, we can also set other Assembla options such as the ticket priority, milestone, and assigned user directly from TestLodge. Not only that, but TestLodge will also attempt to set the reporting user to the person who failed the test. If you'd rather update an existing issue, just associate it with the test, and TestLodge will add a comment to this existing ticket instead of creating a new one. Let's quickly jump over to Assembla, where tickets for the failed test have been created, all of which contain the relevant and important information for a developer to replicate and fix the issue. Once all issues have been resolved, you'll want to verify any fixes. We've got some pretty cool features to help you with that too. You'll have the ability to request TestLodge to pull back the Assembla ticket status of all failed tests within a test run. You can also rerun tests based on the result in TestLodge, as well as the ticket status in Assembla. This means we could create a rerun with all tests that failed which have resolved tickets in Assembla. When executing the rerun, if an Assembla ticket has already been created for the test, TestLodge will update this instead of creating a new one. You can even update the ticket status directly from TestLodge.
And that's it. It's that simple. Head to testlodge.com for a free 30-day trial.